Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix Money App camera not working on PC. Check camera permissions. Ensure Monkey has access to your camera. On Windows, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on for your device. Scroll down and verify that Monkey or your browser if using the web app has permission to access the camera. On Mac, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera. Make sure the app is allowed to use the camera. Check camera functionality on your PC. Verify your camera works outside of Monkey. Open your PC's built-in camera app. Camera on Windows or Photo Booth on Mac. If the camera doesn't work here, the problem is likely with the hardware or drivers. Update or reinstall camera drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause camera issues. On Windows, open Device Manager. Right-click the Start button. Expand imaging devices or cameras. Right-click your camera and select Update Driver. If the issue persists, uninstall the driver and restart your computer. Windows will reinstall it automatically. On Mac, ensure Mac OS is updated. System Settings. Software Update. Tests on different browsers. Web version. Try different browsers. Example, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Ensure the browser has camera permissions enabled. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Camera. Update or reinstall Monkey. Ensure you are using the latest version of Monkey. If the app is corrupted, uninstall and reinstall it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!